How to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on your iPhone. So if you want to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with General, and then scroll all the way down and go with Transfer, Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. And now you need to go and reset your network settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back to your settings and then go with your name, tap on your name or your Apple ID, and go with payment and delivery, and make sure that you've added correct payment address. In my case, I've not added any payment or delivery address, but if you've added a payment method, make sure that it is correct. And if you've added your billing address, make sure that your billing address is also correct. And make sure that you don't have any kind of pending payments. Or you can also go and change your payment method. If you've added a payment method, you need to just simply go and remove that or delete your previous payment method and add another payment method. Once you do that, you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.